Hi all, Harish from Bangalore. We are unboxing Philips 5000 series Power Pro Active Bagless vacuum cleaner. Okay, it's 1900 watts. When you unbox, you can see the pipe, some manuals, warranty cards, and suction pipe. And this looks like it has different modes. Then a brush, more brush. You need to still explore all these options. Then the machine. This model was not available on the online sites, so we went to the Chroma store and bought it. Newly opened a global mall in Bangalore, we bought it there. This is how it looks. Okay. So, 5.6, yeah, plug point, and it has a speed control. We'll explore all those features once we connect. Okay, and we can just go like this. Anyway, we can move and drag. There's one more suction pipe is there. Looks like a gun. Okay, this is a connection pipe. Okay guys, this is all we got from the Philips vacuum cleaner 5000 series. Its model is Power Cyclone 7. We'll connect and explore in the next video. Thank you.